Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 11:20 in Honolulu, 4:20 in New York on Monday, 26th day of February 2024, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. An interesting start to gold, silver, and the dollar in terms of trading this week. If you recall from last week's show, we talked about the dynamic $18 move on Friday and said that if we see gold follow through with buying beginning of the week, meaning today, especially a close above the 50-day moving average, that would be exceedingly bullish and probably trigger a buy signal. In fact, we have gold trading lower today, down $8.20 or 0.40%. Therefore, we will remain inactive until we see it break either above or below the 100-day and 50-day moving average that we'll explain when we look at a chart in a second. Both gold and silver had mild tailwinds from dollar weakness today. The dollar was down 0.10%. It's a nominal move to the downside, but nonetheless, it did provide a little bit of tailwinds. We're now looking at a daily chart of silver, which declined by almost 2% or 49 cents. That's this large red candle here. Currently, we do have silver, basis the March contract, at $22.52.5. Rather than break out or see follow-through buying today as we had hoped for, what we saw was consolidation and a bearish harami, that is the two-day candlestick pattern that we can identify, or an inside trading day in the vernacular of the Western trader. Typically, in terms of a candlestick pattern, if we get follow-through selling tomorrow, which would be a large red candle, a lower low and a lower high, it would be indicative of lower pricing. If that was the case, we would look for support first at the 100-day moving average and then at $2,018 per ounce. On the upside, resistance occurs at the 50-day moving average and 2,054. That is the tight trading range we've seen gold trade in for the last 5 trading days. If you recall from Friday's show, even though silver had a solid up day, I was not very bullish on silver. I thought the gold might break out to the upside, but I thought that silver would go lower. That's exactly what we saw. Look at this large red line, and there really isn't any really solid technical support till about 22.40, and really these bottoms that come in right at around $22 per ounce. I still think, based on the technical indicators, that silver will move lower. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.